Okay, in my first video I showed you this army camp, and now I'll be showing you how to build some of the weapons. First off, we have the bazooka. Here are the pieces you'll need. 2 grey cones, 1 grey cylinder, a black clip or any other colour, and a small handgun. You'll start off with the small handgun. On the bigger end, put 1 grey cone. On the other side, put the cylinder and then the grey cone. Take the black clip and put it on. That is your sight. There's the Lego bazooka. Now onto the mortar. You'll need 1 of these round pieces with 4 studs. Here are the pieces you'll need. 3 cylinders of any color, 2 antenna pieces, and 1 piece with those 2 side bits. First you start with the piece with the 2 side bits. You put 1 cylinder on top with the bigger side facing upwards. Clip 2 other cylinders on the bottom. Take your antennas and put them onto the side. This is now how to make the firing bit. Take 1 of these white see-through pieces, 1 red glowing stud, and 1 red glowing cone. You'll start with the white piece. Put the cone onto the back and put the red piece in the middle. Now you can stick it in the front and it will look like your mortar is firing. Onto this handgun. So basically what you're going to need is one of those small Star Wars handguns. You'll cut off the back up to the square and the front up to the square bit. You'll also cut off the scope. That is it. Now onto the other side. How to make the Lego MP40. You're going to have to basically do the same, except by the back cut off up to the handle from one of those small Star Wars handguns. Cut off the scope, but don't cut the front. Then for the front bit I used a army set, a piece of a gun. Take one of these claws and insert it over half over the square bit and half over the circle bit. That's your Lego MP40. Now onto the Lego Browning. This one is the most complicated one. You'll need 1 of these with all round studs. 2 small studs, 1 by 1 any color, and a smooth piece the same color. Then 1 long pole and 1 short pole any color. A circle stand, 1 small Lego handgun, and 1 of these connector pieces. We'll start with this piece. Take the white 1 by 1 or any color. Take the smooth bit and put it on top. Now take 2 of the small studs and put them onto the 1 stud on the top. Take the small handgun and put it on. Now take the longer pole and put it in. Take the small connector piece and put it in. Then take the short pole and stick it into the bottom. Take the white or any color stand-in piece and insert it. For the firing bit, you'll need 1 of these red pieces and just insert it onto the front. That is your Lego Browning. Now onto this handgun. You're going to have to take 1 small Lego Star Wars handgun. Cut off the back up to the handle and cut off the scope. That is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment.